Welcome to Wednesday. It is Meet the Press Daily. I'm Chuck Todd, continuing MSNBC's breaking news coverage of the coronavirus pandemic. We begin tonight with a difficult question, which must be asked. Is the federal government, led by President Trump, considering, for a lack of a better word, surrendering to this virus? With more than 70,000 Americans dead, the president is telling the public that the country must reopen, even if it means more death. But he doesn't have a plan for doing that. Here he is speaking with reporters earlier this afternoon.
It seems little question that by beginning the reopening process and continuing it, there will likely be more cases of coronavirus, more deaths than there would have been had everything stayed shut down. Will the nation just have to accept the idea that by reopening, there will be more cases, there will be more deaths?
So I call these people warriors, and I'm actually calling now, as you know, John, the nation warriors. You have to be warriors. We can't keep our country closed down for years, and we have to do something. And hopefully that won't be the case, John, but it could very well be the case. We can't have our whole country out. We can't do it. The country won't take it. It won't stand it. It's not sustainable.
Consistent with that message, a range of administration officials, including the president and the vice president, spent the day telling reporters yesterday that they were winding down the coronavirus task force as early as Memorial Day, that the vice president hinted at. But then he told reporters this afternoon that a lot of people apparently told him how bad of an idea that would be.
I thought we could wind it down sooner, but I had no idea how popular the task force is until actually yesterday. When I started talking about winding it down, I'd get calls from very respected people saying, I think it would be better to keep it going. It's done such a good job. It's a respected task force. It's very respected. People said we should keep it going. So let's keep it going. And so we'll be doing that. But we'll be adding some people to it, actually.
The uncertainty surrounding the White House's strategy, which we seem to utter about on a daily basis, comes amid numerous warning signs that we're not anywhere near ready to safely reopen the country from a public health standpoint or a consumer confidence standpoint. Those 70,000 plus deaths I mentioned have happened in just 67 days, and the death toll is projected to basically double over the next 90 days based on current statewide plans to ease restrictions. You basically throw a dart at a map of the U.S. and you'd likely hit a state where cases are going up, not down. Let's also remember we still don't know exactly how deadly this virus is. But based on the limited data we do have, roughly 6% of all confirmed cases have been fatal. 6%. Hello, YouTubers. If you're watching this, it means you've checked out our channel, so thank you. Now do me a favor, subscribe by clicking on that button down there. Click on any of the videos to watch the latest interviews and highlights from MTP Daily and MSNBC. You can get more Meet the Press content every morning in the First Read newsletter. If you're tired of content that you don't know anything about where it came from, you don't have to have that problem with us. NBC News, MSNBC, MTP, and the Meet the Press mindset right here for you on YouTube. Subscribe now.